Happiness is just around the corner from you, even though it feels like there is nothing you can do. When you're sitting in the dark there, happiness is just around the corner. Your loveliness is only temporary, it's true. And when you leave, you don't have to take it with you. You can put all that behind you now. Happiness is just around the corner. I feel like shedding all my skin, starting something new. I feel like I'm ready to begin, to find my own way through. Oh, happiness is just around the corner from me, and I feel like it's the first time that I can really see fear is an illusion. Happiness is just around the corner. 'Cause it rains and rains and rains and rains and rains and rains for days. You wake up one bright morning, all the rain is gone away. The sun is on the horizon. Happiness is just around the corner. I feel like shedding all my skin, starting something new. I feel like I'm ready to begin, find my own way through. Starting something new. I feel like I'm ready to begin, find my own way through. There's a whole wide world to love out there, so don't be feeling sad. All you have to do is think the best you've ever had can only now get better. Happiness is just around the corner. Oh, happiness. Happiness, happiness, happiness is just around the corner. Oh, happiness, 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 happiness is just around the corner.